Let's go over the different tools you are going to need. Rivets are used to secure one side of the insert piece to the hoop, while push buttons are used on the other side of the insert piece to make a hoop collapsible. The push button allows you to open up the hoop and coil it down for travel. While push buttons are not necessary, they are used in most hoop connections for convenience in shipping and traveling. The router bit is a nifty tool that seasoned hoop makers come to appreciate. It is known as a Freud boring tool and comes in two necessary sizes, 1/2 inch outer diameter and 5/8 inch outer diameter. This tool is used in conjunction with a drill and is basically a drill bit with sharp rounded razor blades and is used to correct the inner diameter of a tube so that the insert fits perfectly and is not too tight. The method we utilize is to push the end of the tool into the tube slowly, holding the tool at the end of the tube and having a firm grip on the tube with the opposite hand. Going slow helps keep control over it. It does not take much force, and the tube can be corrected in a matter of seconds. The next important tool you will need is pipe cutters. PVC pipe cutters come in a variety of styles, and the ratchet cutters are the most common seen at the hardware store. You will need to purchase a pair of pipe cutters to make any kind of hoop. At Hoopologie, we use the spring-loaded cutters, but there are a number of cost-effective options available. You will also need to purchase a hand riveter in order to place the rivets. Riveters can be found at hardware stores, and Hoopologie sells a high-quality version as well. Quality varies among brands, and we have had many broken riveters in our days, so we only recommend the higher quality tools if you are making a lot of hoops. There is also a cordless air riveter that is more expensive but does not require a wrist action, so therefore might be a good choice if you want 100% accuracy and efficiency.